Come with me to spend 15,000 pesos at Rockwell given by my employer, Ogilvy. So first, dumaan muna ako sa Toys R Us para bumili ng Barbie. Nakakita ako ng 5,000 pesos worth na bundle. Which includes a car, some playsets, and a
Kim,
Barbie.
say hi.
So the deal is, yung 15,000 pesos, in 3 hours mo lang siya pwedeng spend. Most of the stores in Rockwell participated naman. There's even groceries, luxury items, even Swarovski, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I went to Toys R Us because I'm a kid. And then some people bought PS5s, iPads, AirPods, kung ano-ano talaga. Then commercial break muna, dinala ko muna sa kotse yung mga pinamili kong Barbie kasi ang bigat. So at this point, I still have 8,000 pesos to spend and I didn't want to buy clothes, so I just went to Dior. I was eyeing the perfume Miss Dior anyway. And then nakita ko pa tong super cute na lip gloss. So binili ko na din. At this point, kasi inubos ko na nga sa dalawang stores lang yung ganun kalaking pera. Nag-wait na lang ako with Yuan dito sa mall. Kumain na lang kami, nagtsikahan, bago magpunta sa draft.
Slay! Slay! Ang ganda. Ganun mo nga, Besh. Okay, you can look at it now. Diba? Diba?
Ay, sorry.
Okay lang.
Ano yung perfume na binili mo?
Yung Miss Dior, yung
Miss
sinabi
Dior.
ko sa'yo kanina. Kasi si Aiko din sinabi,
So at this point, tapos na lahat kaming mamili kung ano-ano yung mga paper bag nila dito. May Diptyque, may Lacoste. Nagtsikahan na lang kami sa draft after kumain, uminom sila, ganyan. And that's basically how the night ended. I really appreciate this format ng Christmas because I would rather have this than, have a raffle and hindi naman lahat mananalo. At least lahat kami patas. And then a few others were lucky enough to win extra vouchers during the raffle. So yun, eto na, tapos na kaming lahat, pauwi na.